Today we are going to be doing the headlight conversion using this LED kit that I purchased from Amazon. So we are going to be converting the low beam headlights from the conventional halogen bulbs to the LED bulbs on this 2015 Toyota Sienna. Welcome back to the Moose Mobile Auto Repair channel. And so we are going to be installing this LED kit onto this vehicle. And so we are going to get started now. So this kit here, it comes with the gloves, some zip ties, and a sticky pads to stick down. I believe this is a ballast of some sort, or some computer inside for the LEDs, and it comes with the bulbs. These are just our plug and play. You just need to make sure that when you are installing these, that the chips and the light are facing between the 3 and the 9 o'clock position. So when it's installed inside the headlight assembly, you want to make sure that this is facing 3 o'clock on this side and 9 o'clock on this side, as per the instruction manual. So I'm working on the driver's side here, so we are just going to remove the bulb. So this, you just need to turn it counterclockwise. And I'm going to disconnect the connector. You just need to push on the tab here, and then the regular halogen bulbs come out. This is an H11 bulb that I'm using in this kit, and it's the same type that comes out of a vehicle. So now I'm just going to install the new LED bulbs, trying to line it up here. I'm going to insert it like this, facing upwards, and as I'm turning it, it should be in the 3 and 9 o'clock position. So once it's locked in place, we just need to connect this to the connector. Is just a plug and play. It's plugged in now. We may need to zip tie this up against the piece of metal here, because you don't want the this box here flopping around. You want to make sure you secure it. So before we secure this down, we just want to make sure that the headlights are working. So now we have the before and after shot. It might be a bit hard to see because it's still daylight outside. So now I tied up the box here with just a couple of zip ties here. Just make sure you leave a little bit of slack here so that the wire is able to move. I was not able to mount the box flush against the surface, so I just I let it hang like this. It shouldn't give any problems though. So the driver's side is done. Now the passenger side is the same exact procedure. The passenger side is a lot easier to do than the driver's side because there's more room. We're going to install a bulb now. Try to put it on the 12 and 6 o'clock position, and then turn it so that it will end up being in the 3 and 9 o'clock, or 9 and 3 o'clock. I'm just going to connect this now. It's a lot easier to show everything on camera on the passenger side versus the driver's side. So that's that. We're just going to zip tie this up. Now I assume that this box or heat sink is going to get hot, so I don't want to mount this against the wiring harnesses here. So I'm probably just somehow going to mount it here and, and zip it up on the wire or something so that it's in the air here so that it doesn't get hot and melt something beside it. So we're going to leave it like this. You should be all good to go. Just make sure you leave a little bit of slack, and then that's it. So one last thing I forgot to mention is that sometimes this orange gasket, it gets stuck onto the housing, so you want to make sure that the old orange rubber gasket is removed from the housing. Otherwise you're not going to be able to install the new bulbs. So just make sure that this gasket is not on the housing, and then you should be okay. So that's going to conclude this video of installing the LED bulbs for these low beam headlights. If you have any questions or comments, just leave them below. That's it for today. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please don't forget to give it a like, and please consider subscribing to my channel if you're not already a subscriber, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a good day and take care.